What's good? What's good? Welcome, people. Welcome. I'm seeing a setup on oil right now. Let the people come through. Let the people come through, and we'll see how we feeling today, boys. So I can get it. Despite FOMC tomorrow, I'm seeing some stuff today. So we'll see. We got a bunch of accounts, as you know. And yeah, people jump to. I'm seeing this on oil. Would be positioning around here, but just let it here, just as a safe option, to just give me a double breaker structure as an extra incentivation, like confirmation of price wanting to go down from this level. How are you guys doing? You guys seeing anything today? What's up? Say hello in the chat. Yesterday we had this position that unfortunately it hit a trail stop loss that I've put here. Otherwise it would have been either around break even. Well, it would have closed like some floating profits around this level, just because of the overall can't hold through overnight. But yeah, I could have put the stop loss here, but because I put it here, I could have also put it here. So I put it kind of in between and hit it to the point, and then went back to running. But it is what it is. Yo, what's up, Last Hope? What's up? Say hello, guys. Say hello. I want to see who's watching the stream. What you think about gold? Please tell its support level. Depends on how you're seeing support, because I don't trade support, brother. So for gold, if we're still bullish, then perhaps a sweep of London and then go up. Perhaps a sweep of Asia, which is even better, and then go up. Something like this. Depends, because gold is looking kind of dead. Perhaps even go even deeper to these levels, to this skill level, and then go, if you can see my mouse. Oil at the moment is the one that's looking the most interesting, because we just had a sweep of like equal highs that was made throughout the day, right? And we still have that major liquidity of equal lows on oil. So I'm watching for that. I'm watching for this. Would maybe take it on a challenge account, or one Apex account that I've got, one of the challenges, right? If you want to get, you can get a till 20 accounts on Apex using the code Dylan with 80% off. Are you in any trade right now? No, not at the moment. Not at the moment. GU also seems interesting. Well, GU and EU also seem interesting because I've just sent out to my students. On EU, we can literally have a sweep of the daily liquidity as we're super close to it. So, and this is on oil. Well, you already seen it. Yo, Luke, what's up? What's up? What you seeing today, man? What you seeing? I'm trying to see some longs. Yeah, for GU, just come back to this efficiency, sweep London, and then continue to go up. And as EU is even closer to that liquidity, would be nice to also get a sweep of London and touch this efficiency and then go up. But let's see if we can actually get that. Alert set, nice. Waiting on the EU, of course. Australian dollar is still hovering around this zone, right? It got nice liquidities on both sides, but all of this in the middle I don't really like. Australian dollar with New Zealand dollar, though, we was talking about yesterday with Sean, like there could have been this position right here on Asia session. We had that sweep of like super high time frame liquidity, and then it did one sweep, two sweeps, and then because they're both Asian pairs, they move quite a lot in Asia. and boom, they could have been a win. Yeah, as far as futures, just waiting on the market to open a bit lower, and then looking for buys. Well, let's see the reaction. I mean, if price opens like this, then I'll have like a stop order just to continue to the upside. Know if you guys seeing the same thing. Let me know. Keeping an eye on this oil as well, in case it does something. But and as a confluence, Dow Jones, I'm seeing the same thing. It's coming too close to that previous daily low, so might as well just sweep it here. Sweep it like this and then take some to the upside. Let me know if you guys seeing the same thing, or what are you guys seeing. Yeah, GU is already breaking higher. EU kinda. I want to take advantage of these longs because this will obviously get hit. But if it doesn't pull back enough, then it is what it is. Yesterday we was also waiting on this level to be touched. Like yesterday we was waiting on price was going up. We was waiting on for London close to come here, and then take advantage of this movement up to long it. Got another miss. So it is what it is. If you can just use this London low and this overall reaction of the New York session as a trap, that would be nice. Who do we have here? What you guys seeing, man? Yeah, this is going up. Let's see. For futures, it can be nice. It can be nice. See if we can pass some accounts today. But despite being FOMC tomorrow, it's looking a bit promising. We might be getting something, maybe. Let's see. Yesterday looked nice as well, but then it ended up being boring. But yeah, can't force the market to move. You guys there or what? Oh, is oil? Okay. This oil looks decent. Sweep of these equal highs. Let's see. If it goes down like this, then it's a trade that I will take on oil. Yeah, still waiting on it. If it continues to go up, I'll just cancel it. And I mean, I don't even got nothing on. But yeah. The trade thing is here, so I'll be taking on like this on a stop order if it goes down from here. Right now, 5 minutes until market open, even 4. We'll see. Yeah, it's looking interesting. The thing is that we might have the sweep of this and then come back, and it can be super fast, or we can just melt and have one of those trending days, or just come deeper into another liquidity. But yeah, despite being all time highs, just try to continue to follow the trend. Just continue to long, because you're gonna get fucked by just trying to call the tops. I'm gonna keep an eye on this oil, and also Yamaji Thomas longing GJ. So let's see if it continues to go up. It seems like it can hit this, just on the lower time frames. Any of you on GJ? Okay. It looks decent to go higher. This oil playing around, but it can't be fast. Can be quick. Right, man. What do we have here? What's the time here? The time it's 2:30 p.m. Yeah. Europe is the best time to trade. It depends on the person, obviously. If you want to trade in the morning or afternoon, and if you trade New York or London, I mean, maybe not. Maybe the US is the best time zone. I don't know. Depends on the person. I like the Europe time zone for trade. If you're full time, but if you're not full time, if you have a 9 to 5, then you're screwed. If you're in Asia, yeah, exactly. Because Europe is like literally from 9 to 5. But if you're in Asia, obviously, depending on which country you're from, you're gonna have like less capabilities. But you can't be making excuses because you literally can like trade in the night. Maybe for you guys around that India timing, I don't know. It might be still a bit like uh, close to the afternoon, let's say, to that 9 to 5. But if you're, I mean, maybe it can play out well. But then if you're more like Southeast Asia, then you kind of have the night. If you're in Australia, though, you're fucked. Yeah, 1 minute to open here. Okay, it's already going up. Yes, not that. Okay, yeah. They're probably gonna go down from here. Nasdaq, this is too much space. Like there's nothing for. Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I meant. It's kind of like on the spot. Like you can be going off work or school, and it can be like playing New York in a bit. But if you're like more to the east, more to the orient, like you're like you have more time, kinda, to get home, set everything up, and then trade New York session. Yeah. Okay, so hey, depending on how this market opens, you might be getting longs on futures, and we might also be getting a short on EU, at least. And wait, oil, gotta keep an eye on it. Nah, it's still at the same spot. So yeah, let's see this. Let me just have this marked out on micro, yes, in case I need to trade it. But yeah, let's see. Nasdaq is already doing it. I want ES to do as well. God damn, bro, this Dow Jones pair is crazy, man. The only thing I don't like it's a motherfucker. Like it doesn't wait for no one. Like yesterday, he couldn't swap this and then go higher. Well, it did it afterwards, but I got fucked here. So even then, like my vision continues to be good. It's just that it was a London close trade, so I can't hold overnight, and yeah. But hey, let's see. We might be still getting that sweep of the lows. Uh, the only thing I don't see much structure history here for me to position myself on Nasdaq here, but you can easily do it as it's gonna make a trap. And I already did one sweep and at 2:30, and right now 1 hour after, once the futures market opens, it's gonna do another sweep. But ES looks way better for that example with this structure right here and with this efficiency. And yesterday we actually, uh, I mean, I'm not gonna say missed because I wouldn't take it either way. It was just a trade 1 hour before the market opened, but you can see how it could have worked. We went back to the efficiency right here, did a little trap, kind of going up, but also retesting this, and then sweep of liquidity, boom, and could have gave you a win if you continue to go along with the trend, continue to long. Let's see. Do you see better results in futures compared to Forex? I mean, for the data that I have, yeah. For the short term period of time that I've been trading futures, yeah. And I think just because of prop firms being cheaper on futures, and you can still trade Forex just by going over the futures pairs of the Forex market, you can get around the game, it's something to see. But it depends. It depends on how aggressive I go. But I think, yeah, if I pull them together in recent times, I've been killing it more on futures than I have on Forex. You guys can check it on Discord. Like right here, I have the results here for everybody to see. So you can see, yeah, like literally smashed it. Had one win on EU, that was great. But then 3R. I mean, some of these were taken together. So like ES and NQ were taken together. So like by one going up, the other would go up. So it's like one win overall, but it's across two pairs. But then boom, another win the day. Then another week, it was like EU, like Forex still 100% win rate, like being more conservative and all that. But yeah, 4 hour here, and then yeah, more wins last week on futures, and yesterday we just took like half a loss on futures. So yeah, we're still up for the live streams because of that futures trade that we took in the beginning. But let's see, we might be taking something. Oil is crazy, bro. Well, at least I'm not in. But yeah, let's see. Because right now, if we zoom out, this could be the first sweep. This could be now the second. If there's some structure, then try to short it there. Just waiting on this ES to go down as well. Breaking this New York and coming to the efficiency. Nasdaq already did it, so I'm just waiting on ES to do it as well. What about you guys? What you guys seeing? EU looks nice as well today. It's just that there's FOMC tomorrow, so I don't know, man. The zones are good, but I see if the market moves well as well. Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't know. There was someone Someone here in the chat asked me for the gold prediction. I mean, literally sold more risky, sweep of London, and then go up. So it's exactly doing that. Let me know if you took something, brother. If we just go a bit more up, just to give me some structure out of this candle, potentially gonna short there. Let's see, man. Okay. Yes, he's about to do it. But maybe I'll have to go conservative on the 20 is not that bad. I mean, it's not gonna be 20, it's gonna be more. Yeah, it's not that bad, but to go look for London highs is just like 1 hour or so. When backtesting for large data, do you add DXY along with EU? I should, but I don't. I don't, because it's just a pain in the ass to be. But I can technically use the FX replay tool to do that, but it's just a pain in the ass. So I'll just like backtest the EU without the DXY confluence, which sometimes lies in the data, you know. But I know that with the DXY, you can also give me a plus. Other plus confidence, and sometimes it's still setup. There were some times that I didn't take setups that look decent because of the DXY, but they ended up exactly playing out. Let's see how this reacts on ES right now. Nasdaq could have had a position here as well, which is more risky. Will look something like this. I'll put it just in case. We'll see. And it gives us 3R until the liquidity, which is nice. But I'll just put it in case that we take ES and then we compare to which one would have been best to take. Yeah, this crazy ass pair. Okay. Let's do his thing. How has your trading been doing? Let's hope. How has your performance been lately? Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up? Let me know who's watching this. Pull up to the chat. Feel free to talk. Feel free to tell me a pair you want to see or ask a question. And leave a like if you will. Let's see. Waiting on ES longs. And potentially, I mean, I don't have an entry here. Still, a refined one would be this kinda on oil. But yeah, I'm expecting oil to maybe go down from here as it swept the equal high. Started fixing entry and back testing. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, it's all a matter of testing. Pull up a spreadsheet or something and just do a bunch of testing, refine it really. Go look for the specifics on where you perform the best. Okay, anyone looking for longs here on futures? Or you guys trading Forex? What you seeing? If you're not seeing something like me, let me know. Feel free to debate. London session is kind of bad for me. Yeah, just got it. Me as well. I'm seeing that. Not even worth it. The probability of getting a setup is super low. There's rarely any setups. There's rarely any movement. And if there is, it's kind of like doing nothing, kind of like this. I mean, but this is futures. I can't give an example like this, but Yeah, look at this price action. Like, what are you doing here? You know. Uh, when there is a setup, it's already trap time. Exactly, exactly. That's perfectly that's exactly what happened to your friend Wick the other time, where he positioned himself on EU or something and got himself a loss because it was already the New York trap timing, which is just after the London session. So right now, I could refine to this wick right here on the candle. I just need to let the candle play out though. Let it play out a bit. Like print me another candle. Nasdaq could have been this. Damn. This looks decent on oil. I mean, I'll take it because I'm in need of setups, and this is a good one. Boom. I don't need to risk that much, but I'll risk like 500. Because, I mean, for this, I need like 1.3k. So what would that be? Yeah. Yeah, exactly the 500 on a stop. But this is oil. This is oil, guys. So be aware, because this shit, my fail. Yeah, I think like 1, 2 sweeps. Let's see. Well, I did 300, 380. Yeah, right here. I don't even need the whole. Wait, fuck. It's kind of like here. I'll let it here. Boom. I don't need it. I don't even need the whole 3R. But yeah, we're in on this oil. Let's see what it does. It's only a challenge, but close to being passed. Close to being passed. I also got another one close to being passed. I'm trading them individually, but if you want to get yourself one, there's currently 80% going on Apex. You get 80% off using my code Dylan. So take advantage of that. And let's wait for these ES longs at the minute. What is Nasdaq doing? Yeah, Nasdaq can reverse from here. Nasdaq can reverse from here though. And it's coming to this efficiency, boy. Just hit TP. My God, man. Yeah, I'm doing the rotation method. Yeah. Short of 304. Manuel, maybe on this crazy pair. Yeah. Sweep of Asia high. Yeah. I can see that. Oh, and we're getting to this level. Okay. Nah, it's looking nice, bro. It's looking nice, but this pair is too quick. Nah, everything looking nice. I'm going off longs, but congrats on that TP, bro. This pair is crazy. Yeah, when you compare these movements compared to NQ and ES. Yeah. I'm gonna just wait for price to build me some structure here, and then I'm jumping on longs for sure. Same with ES. I'm kind of seeing what he wants to do. Might look like many trades, but I got a bunch of accounts I can just rotate. Even get funded. Has more room? Maybe. That's what I'm thinking as well. that could happen. All right, let's hope. See you. 534, 33. Yeah. Yeah, it's close, it's close. But this bitch is quick. I don't want to be going to M1, especially on this pair. But I don't know if I have to. This is crazy. What about oil? He's already reversing this motherfucker. Look at this perfect reaction type in. But yeah, who cares? Who cares? It's alright. It was taken on this one. Okay. I might need to stop trading this bitch, bro. But one of my students is always killing this. Like it's always whenever I'm not paying attention to this pair. Yeah, man, it's not over yet. So let's see this Dow Jones looking nice. Can't forget about Forex level. This on EU is looking beautiful as well. All right, people, we got action today. We got action. You can't say it's boring today. Leave your likes. Let me know in the chat what you think. Cause there are some trades today. There are some trades. Waiting on ES and NQ to decide themselves. Thing is, if I were to buy this for a little too, super hard to trade, unpredictable volatility. Maybe, man. Recent conditions haven't been it, and FOMC tomorrow, and all-time highs. If we break 84, I'll continue to short. Where do you mean 84? On YM. Oh, okay. But damn, that's low. Or you mean 46? Yeah, you probably mean here, 46. Yeah, man, I just wanted some kind of M5 candles in here. At least another one to the downside, so I can just like have some structure, have some structure to position myself. Yeah, that's a miss. Okay. Boom. It seems like oil is a bit playing out, but let's see. This one. A bit like this. Having this marked out in case he wants to go higher. Yeah. What do I need? 520. Yeah, that's alright. Maybe it's not even gonna do it, but I'll put. No! Fuck! It was meant to be a stop order, motherfucker. Fuck! Bitch ass. This is what happens when you don't look, man. This time sometimes it's stupid, man. Why they has limit? Why they position himself there? Man. I always lose money sometimes. Man. Alright, bro. You do your strategy, I do mine. Fuck, bro. Fuck. At least I didn't lose much, right? Okay, it was $100. It was $100. Alright. Fucking hell, I blew my fucking account or what? Especially did this big ass candle, bruh. Oh my god. That fucking scared the shit out of me, bruh. Alright, so if he wants to continue lower, I'll just look for liquidities lower. But here on Nasdaq, I don't really like what's on the left. It can go much deeper. Like I would wait for maybe these levels, and there's also an efficiency that I drew underneath. This bitch. Okay. Now we're talking on this bitch. Now we're talking. And oil. Oh no, oil is still in oil is still in drawdown. But in here, maybe. Because this on higher time frames has a beautiful liquidity. The YM on daily though, it's still not even at all-time highs. And yeah, right now these two making relative equal highs. The only thing is that it's gonna be a big ass entry for the target that I'm seeing. It'd be something like this, and then it's gonna be like what, 1 hour until there. So I would need like another refined structure just here to just to refine it, to then be at least at 3R until this liquidity hit 33 on NAS major decision point. Yeah, let's see that. Can be a little sweep of Asia in here. Man, leave your like, man. Leave your like. You already lost 100 out of nowhere. But yeah. Sweep of Asia on ES. YM is the one that I gotta pay super attention to, because it's super quick. Got 9 people in the chat, man. Today is interesting. Leave your likes. Let me know what you're seeing. Right? Trying to call out the reversal here. EU, it's looking decent on that liquidity. Let me know if you guys watching that as well, or if you're Forex traders, or if you're future traders. Okay, sweep of this, but I don't like this big ass entry. It's only gonna be like 2R until that point. This is chilling in my drawdown. Yeah, so far we lost $100 on some stupid shit. Don't even ask. And we're on oil. So let's see. At the moment, just waiting for some longs, maybe in either yes or NQ, depending on what price does from here. What about you guys? Come on. Yeah, sweep of Asia, but I don't like this this structure right here. Otherwise, maybe there could be some long taken here. Okay, right now, if this candle sweeps this previous one, I'll try to long it. not doing it yet. Can also just go up from here. I just wanted to sweep it another time to the downside just to give me some structure to place myself. Because otherwise I would have to go along with this big ass stop loss. And I don't want to, because to at least this target that would only be 1.5. Because I know, and like once we hit this, then there will be a reaction. And who knows, that reaction can stop me out later. If I do have a big position like that. Look at this beautiful short, guys. Look, short here, TP here. Okay. This motherfucker. Yo, what's up, Sean? What's up? Eve. That motherfucker running again? Oh, okay, okay. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. That motherfucker not running again, but might have some potential longs. Yeah, let's see. So far it's looking nice. You probably already in, right? Kinda of this rejection. Still holding TP until Monday. What, on shorts? For what? For NQ and you mean the Monday, the 9th of September, or the 30th of September? Yeah, it's 30 Monday. Yeah, so you're gonna wait like 3 weeks holding shorts on NQ. Like, do you swing trade? Or are you just looking for generational wealth? But yeah, Eve looking decent here. What I was about to say. If that's your strategy, that's fine, brother. But some of you guys are looking for like 17R, 20R because you're in drawdown. And that's exactly the reason why you're in drawdown. No need for much, you know? Oh, okay. That's better. Okay. Just 6R is not, it's not really, you can't really put it just, you know? It's good. It's huge, kind of, you know? It's good. Well, until 5, I will do it. But yeah, if you're already 4, then that's good. Hope you get a TP, brother. Hope you get a TP. What about the other people that's watching? You guys taking anything? Or just sat down there waiting for me to take a trade so you can copy? Not having an opinion in the market. Just waiting for that dopamine to hit. Thanks, man. Thank you, man. I mean, it will be bad for you if I do get a win. I mean, it depends. You can TP and then I can long it and then I can TP. That's the probability. But appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. I'm not in longs though yet on anything. Only thing I'm in so far. I mean, I might be just off seeing this now. I might be. And seeing that the only thing I don't like is that this can easily become a smart money trap. Like, it's too basic, man. And the strength of these candles, yeah. But the strategy is a strategy. It can reverse from here. It can reverse from here. So even if you think, nah, it's gonna continue, gotta be mechanical about it. Even if I think it's gonna fail. What are you thinking on? Yeah. If I think it is. If that liquidity is the same liquidity I got marked down right here, which we're super close to on EU, then yeah. GU is a bit more far away, and the XY is also far, but on EU looks super good. Yeah, on EU I'm watching out for that. If you can get a nice sweep to it in a few, and it's London close, which will be a London retracement of the day, that would be nice. That would be nice. All right, so let's see. Are you already longing Luke? NQ off of your levels. This isn't a stop loss, guys. Not in, okay. But might. I'm sure of, okay. Of 84. Okay. Damn. Why though? Why not touching NQ till mid-October? Is it because of overall like being in all-time highs, not much price action, or like not much like previous price action, of course, history, or is it like some fundamental event? Bro, this pair is like NQ and ES on steroids. I see what you mean when you told me about this. Okay. I mean, August was shit, but right now I feel like it's back to being nice. I mean, not the previous week, but the 2 weeks prior to that, they were fire for me on futures. What is this bitch doing? Right now it's designed to be slow, but this oil can be quick. Okay. Yeah, took a scalp. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. I took a minor loss here. I mean, half the drawdown, you know. I took it here. Then I put myself I tried the stop loss here. Wanted to put it here, but at the same time, if I put it here, then might as well not break this. Kind of refined it, and it took me out, and then it would be chilling at some floating profit once the market would close. Nothing much. Right, this is dumping. You eating, boy? You eating good, huh? Current risk in the zone. Yeah. I don't really fuck with a Nasdaq zone here. I mean, I can see Asia being swept, but then I don't like this previous action. I would prefer like this black line to be swept. That's on me though. I think personally. Let's see this this YM and oil. Is it going? It's at break even. Yo, my guy Thomas, if you're here, let me see your shit. Let's see. Bruh. Sheesh. Unlucky, man. Unlucky. But you must still be in profits, right? It's all good. I mean, we got some fire killers in the chat, man. If you guys not talking in the chat, at least pay attention, because we got some good traders in here. Everybody seems to be eating so far. We got some people floating 4R. Got Luke on the scalps. Watching this ETH. If we would do like a second sweep to the downside, that would be like perfect setup for me on a Forex. Yeah. Yeah, it seems like you are. How many R did you do, Luke? 0.6? Okay. Like R like this, like in terms of trade, man. Like from where your stop loss is and where your TP is. Yeah, risk reward. Sheesh. Yeah, man, you're a killer. You're a killer. Hopefully, it doesn't reverse from you here. But you also close it manually if it does, right? Or you hold that to break even. Okay, good. But I passed more apex. Nice, nice, bro. Good shit. Good shit. Are we dumping here? Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Let me. Is it this one? That's the thing with oil. Out of nowhere, boom. My main trade was 304 145. That was the short right from the top there. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's a fucking sniper. EU is on roids. God damn. Yeah. Something might have happened. Was it DXY? Yeah. This is the crazy shit now. This is the crazy shit. It's dealing with the chat, dealing with the stream, dealing with trades, dealing with like 4 pairs, 5 pairs all at the same time, bruh. See, I'm just gonna have this one prepared in case I want to trade something on it. YM. We'll fucking dump. Waiting for a trap on London. Yeah, it's exactly what you said. Like waiting for a trap or London close on you. I don't know if that's a question or if that's an affirmation, but it can be both. You know, because here we're still at what? We're still in New York timing. So for the next hour, I will still consider it New York session and London close afterwards. So until that London close hits, I will not. I'll still wait for the trap. That's what I mean. But then if we kind of chill here, and then it becomes like London close here, and perhaps if this isn't like super big of a stop loss, then yeah, I could short it here. That's a possibility, without waiting for a trap. You know. Yo. How's the weather? We was kind of like cloudy last week, but right now it's back to being like a how would you call it, like a heat wave. Yeah, we recently having a heat wave, so like clear skies as usual, you know, Portugal shit, and it's hovering around 30 degrees, but not the 35s and 40s. Yeah, man. Yeah, I look. See you, bro. Nice having you here. And yeah, I'll set up the live or something. I'll see. But trying to stack up these Apex accounts now, and also with the date limit on them. Yeah. I'm trying to live trade every day, single day until for this month. This bitch is pulling back. Yeah, a little bit. Trade one ticker. I don't even know what that means. I mean, but I don't think I'll be here for FOMC though. FOMC hits at like 7 p.m. for me. There might be a position, but like if I stream till 11 till FOMC, I'll be here like streaming 4 or 5 hours. Oh, okay, that's what you mean. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Yeah. I mean, I'll trade NQES. It's what I'm used to. You know. Yeah, you got your TP hit right. Easy shit. Easy shit. So let me see. Yeah. Yeah, we're testing out this order block right now, but for me it's a trap. Nah, I'll just let it for now. Yeah, talk tomorrow, G. Thank you for being in here, man. Thank you for being in here. If you wanna drop down your channel in the chat, feel free, man. Yeah, some good shit, man. You guys should check Luke's channel, and he's a real G in here. But yo, what we seen? God damn, all these bitch reversed. These continue to dump. I might wait for that NQ level. It's still a bit far. Let's see. Hopefully it's not boring, man. Hopefully it's not boring now. The zones were better. You guys feel free to talk, huh? Don't be scared, man. Make sure to leave a likes, man. Let's get to 10 for now. For USD, we need a big confirmation to short and go for it in a higher time frame. Then we'll see a quick short. I think GBP going higher a bit. Maybe, yeah. GBP's liquidity is way above compared to EU1, which has already been hit. Right, GU is here. So that's exactly what we can do. It's one of the things where EU has already hit the liquidity. So right now we might hit a trap on EU, meaning still going higher a bit. And whilst that goes higher, GU will hit his liquidity. It will be London close. I will not need to wait for a trap. I know it's complicated, but hold on. And both will go down from there. Meaning EU will execute a trap following his liquidity sweep. And GU will only need like one sweep of that liquidity. And it will be London close. So it can just go down nicely. Slow and easy. But yeah, if you're not aware of London close, just go to my channel. Maybe learn, boys. But it's just our retracement of the day, basically. I mean, I don't use SMT. If you mean the divergence confluence, I don't use it. SMT for me is smart money trap. It's what I'm waiting for. Yeah. I couldn't care less. Here I just want to see people getting trapped, SMC traders. Nothing here. Fucking oil. Agreed. Thank you, man. You seem to be doing well as well, man. How about that trade that you got a TP, right? On that 6R. Hopefully so. Hopefully so. At least you guys eating, man. At least you guys eating. We're about to eat as well. If you can get... This can work from here. Of course, right now it's giving you a reaction of the order block. I just don't think on the high time frame this can work. I mean, it can. But it's too much of a SMC type of setup for me. And could I even get 3R from this? I would be here, but this would be too refined, maybe. So then let's say I position myself here with stop loss here. It wouldn't even be 3R. This is just testing, guys. This is just testing. I'm not taking this. I mean, as you can see, there's nothing on the screen. God damn, this shit is a bitch, man. If this is a stop loss, I'll leave oil, man. I'll leave oil. I know. Yeah, the way it's going, maybe within an hour or so we will deliver a trap on MQ and ES because it's London close, and then we'll have that retracement of the day, perhaps going higher. Just a shame that we didn't have nothing good in the left apart from this Asia low. But then you look at all this structure and it's not that beautiful to keep in consideration, right? It's not like there's nothing here, right? But on ES was nicer, but it just kept dumping, so you forgot about it, you know. But if we take this low, then it could be interesting. If we take this low, and since it's going up right now, it can't be the trap I was mentioning. It could be interesting. Could be interesting. Just forget about it. And boom. And for oil, it's gonna be a stop loss, man. God damn. Ay, ay. Fuck, man, it's gonna pull me back on the challenge that was up. But it is what it is. It is what it is, right? It's oil. It's oil. Gold going up. I mean, you should be good now, Thomas, right? Oh no. Damn, maybe the Japanese yen is stronger then. Because GU is going up as well. I mean, it's USD that's weak overall, of course. Because all of this is because the XY is dumping. Yeah, the XY is expecting to be at 96,377 for me. 36,900 zone. Let me see if it's my zone. I got one closer. But yeah, it's same. It's same. Waiting on that as well. And yeah, this would be nice now. This would be nice on ES. It's what I'm waiting for right now. And on YM, this I didn't take. Right, just to see. What are you guys seeing, or what are you guys training? I know some of you are already up. Are you guys done for the day? Are you guys still trading? What's up? Who's in here still? We got 7 people. We got 8 likes. Come on, let's get it up to 10 at least. Let's see. I will wait for the XY to take low June 30. Let's see. Whoa. Yeah, it's exactly that level. Thing is, we can have even though I believe this is a trap and I believe this level will get taken, will get swept sometime, we might have a reaction from here. Just because if it's an order block, we might have a reaction from here and then go back down. So within this reaction, you might get yourself a win. On the lower time frames, of course. Yeah, so what I'm expecting now you to do, it's kind of like going down like it is going down now. Leave this beautiful rejection behind and then just sweep it again. Double sweep into it. meaning a smart money trap. And it would be also London close timing, which would just be a retracement of the day, which would be good. Because London was bullish, New York was bullish. You already know the drill. London close will be bearish. All right. So yeah, there's a lot of things to keep an eye on for. UNG looking nice. ES can give us a long setup. And we're still on that oil, so let's see how that ends up. But yeah, it's oil, so will not be surprised if it's some motherfucking stop loss. What are you guys seeing, by the way? Y'all just give me a minute. I mean, not a minute, but I'll be back. Just heading to the toilet. We back, boys. We back. Let me know who's still there. Who's still there? Who's serious about trading, man? Because if you're here to taking trades, you're at the wrong place, man. But if you're here to learn and potentially take good ass trades, then you're in the right space. So yeah, you doing what I said, kinda. Let's wait. It would be kind of like two candles breaking each other on F15. Next candle would be breaking this one. Although it's not doing much of a breaker structure here, change of character for to be a like clearer trap, but we're getting close to that London close timing. I mean 40 minutes. Let's see. GU keeps going up until that target. Yeah. Yes. Still breaking this structure, so it will be super good if it comes back down. And then on London close have that retracement. And oil is chilling on my drawdown again after being chilling here. And if this was Forex, I would have been break even. But because it's oil, nah, just hold it and see. But yeah, what are you guys thinking, man? I know my guy E3 Bill here is waiting on this EU and GU, but what about you guys? Don't be scared, man. If you want to learn this right now, this is our opportunity. I can see every message in the chat. You will not be forgotten, right? Just type it in, man. Let me see if I can help you. We're not in this. This is just to see. Okay. Let's see if this breaks, that would be beautiful. EU66, okay. Yeah, let's see. Boys, make sure to drop your likes. And if you want to trade multiple accounts, man, you can trade up to 20 with Apex, 80% off using the code Dylan. cheap ass accounts, dirt cheap accounts. Because then imagine trading 20 accounts at once. That's how you get these motherfuckers like having $30,000 payouts. They literally do like 1K to 3K in each account and then they just withdraw it all because they copy trading. I don't personally do that, but I'm currently trying to stack accounts a little bit, low by low. But I personally only trade them manually still. Uh, each one of them. Still rotating between them. I got 2 funded right now and have 2 challenges currently on profit, close to being funded. Just waiting on this beautiful setup. Let's see if we can have it, and then I'll try to pass it, that bitch. Love you, man. Take care. Take care. It's already super late in there, I imagine. Yeah, man. Hope that trade goes in your favor. Yeah, and you also can go check Thomas' channel, doing another series of zero to funded to show y'all uh, how easy the journey can be. Got my guy Les Hope still watching, but not saying much, right? Wick's not here today. No, let me know. Let me know. What is in the middle of nowhere? Yeah, you know worse. See ya, bruh. See ya. I know if Sean is still there, but if you are, man, did you manage to take this? I mean, it is lower time frames, but maybe you're already in. But let me know, cause if I traded Asia, then maybe I would seen this. Cause last stream yesterday was looking at this beautiful high time frame liquidity on Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. I don't personally trade these. I only trade EU and GU and Forex. But if you want to do an overall analysis over the market, just map out like super good liquidities, high time frame ones that are like major ones and have a high probability of giving you a good setup, which has a high probability of passing, you know, of giving you a TP. And if you want to do that, then maybe you can trade your 1 or 2 pairs that you usually do, and then come back to these and trade some safe setups instead of looking for internal risky ones on the pairs you usually trade. That's something to consider, because I've already seen some wins in these cases, like here, Australian dollar. There was a win that could have been taken last week or so. Yeah, right here, nice low 3R. And then there's oil, which is interesting, which the charts look interesting and the zones, but it moves like a motherfucker. This, I didn't take, alright. But if it does another sweep, maybe it could be interesting to long it. We'll see. But if it does, it will most probably do on ES as well, which is what I'm waiting for. Waiting for this level on London close previously to get swept and then take the longs from there. You guys there, or you sleeping? What you boys seeing, man? Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, bruh. Alright, it is what it is. We're still 2.5. Yeah, exactly 2.5 up. So only need 3.5, which is still a win on this scenario. But yeah, getting my PNL eaten by motherfucking oil. But hey, who forced me to trade oil? Right? No one. So it is on me. It is on me. It's entirely on me. But this bitch, man, like the zone is clean. The setup was clean as well. Doesn't necessarily mean it needs to be a win, of course. Hey, all this I decided not to take was a winner. That's why if you go into the pair, you gotta either go all in or not trade it at all, because you might just be getting the negative side of the probabilities. This would have been a break even. And then there's some other ones. This was super risky though. Would have been a win. And yeah, because you either gotta be full in or just not touch it. Because I got a student here that just kills oil. He's constantly winning on it. It's one of his best pairs. And then he told me so, and I had to go look at it. And the zones do look good on oil. But yeah, it is a motherfucker. Okay. Seen this nice rejection candle that's about to get swept. That was huge on M30, living a long ass wick. Now it's just about to get taken. But yeah, prefer it on ES though. Prefer it on ES. Since we already taken a trade loss here, I'll take like this account. And boom, it would be a challenge pass if it is a win. And if he gives me the setup. Because I still haven't taken a loss on ES and NQ for the past 2 weeks. But also this week before, I didn't take almost no trades. Well, I did take Monday and Tuesday, and they were both winners. But yeah, before that, after that, there was no setups. But yeah, man, you guys gonna leave me on my own, or you gonna talk? Please say something, boys. To the people that's watching this, do you guys trade Forex or futures? If I don't know who you are. Or are you all casual? Right, man, this is probably gonna happen. Yeah, yes as well. That would be nice, leaving this kind of behind, leaving that structure for me to place myself. 5 minutes. Yeah, it's exactly gonna take that level like I mentioned. This rejection right here. And then once it starts to go down, I mean, it needs to sweep it. I'm not gonna position myself here, but it's just to map out the entry. Still need to see this high getting taken. So something like this, and then trade it here. Boom. And then can go until this efficiency. I was even looking for this efficiency to be touched, just so I could long it and take advantage of this high time frame liquidity, which I knew it was taken. But this New York low didn't want to come sweep deeper. We're still 4 people in watching. Who's in here? Hey man, and if you're getting value out of the stream, please drop a like. And if you're not, just drop me a question. I'll answer it. Okay. It's a patience game. Need to wait for these to be set. Um, we've been on the stream for 1 hour, so yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. I know y'all not fans of waiting, but I'm a fan of that cash. If you want the dopamine, go along it now. Use at 70.7%. Yeah. Let me see if we get to 75, it'll probably be a sweep of the level. So I'll look at it. We got a loss on oil. Yeah, unprofitable me. You know, it is what it is. How much? Oh, we lost like 500 or so, I guess. Yeah. Damn, man. Y'all just watching me suffer here alone. I mean, I'm not suffering. I'm just patiently waiting for this pitch. But I could do something else instead of this. So if you could appreciate the live streams by leaving a like, that would be awesome. Let me nuts. Okay. Still a patience game. I'm gonna name this stream "Fuck Oil." That's how it is, man. That's how I feel about it. Yeah, boys. Do you guys prefer to have these streams, or do you prefer the good old days where I posted like a new video every single 2 days? And right now I'm gonna start posting like on the weekends. Which one do you prefer? Let me know. If you guys are live, of course. Okay. I know this, of course, is even clearer of a trap, but I'm not gonna jump the gun again on this bitch. Um, and QNES waiting on this level. And then potentially gonna get some longs on Lonacles. Hopefully it does move. Yeah, GU. So it's going down. The closest it touches this area, which is just gonna be a trap most likely. We're gonna continue to go higher as we're doing so on EU, and as we might do so on this TXY level, just a sweep of this. Okay. Yeah, EU is probably gonna do the sweep right now, and then it gets to London close in about 20 minutes. So it should be soon. Should be soon. And this can be super fast as well. So gotta keep an eye on it. So what I'm looking at right now, ES and EU. Those are the ones. What about you guys? Are you guys feeling my long on the S? Possible if it happens. Same as with the U. If the setup does appear, it's not entirely formed yet in both of these pairs. But if you're uh, if you're liking the idea of it, or if your strategy tells you the same. Since GU is going down, is this pair? No, it's melting even harder. Damn. Unlucky for my broski. But yeah, man, couple of guys winning here, couple of guys losing. Like me. The game's the game, bruh. The game's the game. Oh, but look, this would be a perfect setup for me. But even then, like the other time I said perfect setup for me on the Bitcoin, it ended up being a stop loss as well. That's what I say. We usually gotta take all of them. But yeah, I'm gonna mark this out because I think Sean's gonna be in this. But yeah, this for my strategy: one sweep and then trapping everybody. They was trying to play out this retracement of these long ass, these long ass melt. Let's say they got trapped around this level. Right now he has done a second sweep to it. I can trade it. I only trade once everybody's been taken out. That's my strat. Okay, we slow on you, but we might have just swipe it now. It's still a bit of a double equal high. But yeah, let's see if we sip it a bit higher or something, let's say, and then come lower. This would be my entry. I would be in on the stop order, and hopefully happens within the next 1 hour. You know, that type of timing. So yeah, we'll give it some time, but not that much. Futures is being super slow though. But yeah, this level is likely to be trapped. Then let's see if my longs will be good as well, and if there's movement, because I can't hold overnight. So there's also that to mention. If I hadn't put my stops aggressive, I would still be in on this oil, but I mean the close is super close to it, so we'll most likely take it as well. Just playing around. Oh, silver just melted here. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yo, if you're enjoying the stream, leave a like, man. Let's go until to 10 at least, boys. Come on. In case you enjoy the streams, I want to see more. Alright, we're about to get this. Come on. Come on, man. It needs to be faster. We had a crazy moment where I lost like $100 in here on a 50k, which is like 0.20% of the account gone in a mistake of 1 single second. Yeah, perhaps it was quite funny if you replay it back if you didn't watch it. and we got a loss on oil. But if we're talking like futures, since the start of the streams, we're still up. Massively up, just NQ and ES. I mean, not massively up. I've been massively up, but only started the streams a week ago exactly. Yeah, but you guys acting like my exes, not talking to me, man. Come on, talk at least. Show your brother some love, man. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Market's quite slow, but yeah, right now it could, as it comes to and close, let's see if we get some action, or if it just lasts like 1 hour, this 2 hours, this inactivity, this low volatility. Hey, the market was looking super interesting, man. Super interesting. And it still is. If it gets, if it moves. Because if it does, we got to set up on ES and we got a possible setup on EU. Yeah, man. Waiting. Who is here watching realistically? Last hope, maybe. Okay, we got a like though. Someone came here and left a like. Whoever that is, you're a legend, my guy. One more and we can get to 10. And whoever can put that next like is a legend as well. And to all of the people that put likes, you already know you're a legend, so I appreciate that. And somebody just left. That guy's not a legend. Put this well. 12.4. Come on, man. Just slow it in a bitch. GU. Yeah, if it is one of them days where the zone is super nice, but the price just doesn't have like enough volatility to move, we just gotta wait until the next day. But this EU still looks good on paper. Mechanically, this is the strategy. And coming to London close, it will be even better. Which will be 9 minutes. The CS keeps going back and forth, man. But I'll still wait for it, of course. Doesn't mean I'll jump the gun and just long it from there. Okay, now shit is hitting. I didn't have an energy drink today. Come on, man. I'm waiting to see if this gives us a setup or not. If it doesn't continue playing around, like ES is kind of doing. Otherwise, we'll just cut off the stream in a bit. Let's see. The potential setups are still here. And I'll still trade them myself, but otherwise, like, I appreciate y'all for being here, of course. But if y'all not talking, which you don't have to, you're not forced to talk, of course. I just don't know what to tell you if I'm just here alone. Because normal, usually I wouldn't be watching the markets that much. Right now, perhaps I would, because of the setups is quite close. But yeah, normally you just can have just your alarm set, or like check the markets when there's good timings, right? You get the timings of the day. If you don't know them, then you can check my channel on the sessions videos and all that. But yeah, you can just go back to the market these times and just do other stuff in the meantime. Because then if you can't still control yourself, you just be looking at the charts for no reason, and potentially take some trades, like you would want to take some trades. And perhaps there wouldn't, most likely there will not be good ones. Depending on your strategy, at least for mine, there's not high class setups every single day. Yeah. Thing is that this sweep can be fast as fuck. To get away, I'm gonna fly away. Yeah. Yeah, man. With 3 people in here, but then if we get a winning trade on this EU, and then the motherfuckers that want the dopamine, they left, they gonna be crying, man. Cause it's like this, man. It's like this. Can't just expect wins all over the place. Has some losses, and there's not trades every single day. Someone leaving likes, thank you for that. It's going a bit crazy, so I don't know if it's Verduz or not. If it's my guy Verduz, but yeah, man, like I was saying, like, if you still want the good trades, you have to endure these like 3 hours of stream, and then possibly there's nothing. Yeah, of course, I knew it was Verduz. My guy Verduz, and you leave me here without saying nothing, bruh. You watching me here, not even talking, and just leave me in here bored out. But yeah, if you're new to the stream, just waiting on this and waiting on ES to sweep lower. But hey, will it happen? Let's see. If you can't handle it, if you can't manage to wait, you can get it right now, and you can lose your money. Go ahead. Market full choppy G. I didn't take anything. That's good, man. That's good. I didn't take anything as well, apart from oil. which is not even what I usually tend to trade, and it shows. And it shows as that motherfucker gave me a loss. Okay. This kind of moving. No, no. Shit is slow. What your boy seeing though? Or you're not seeing anything like me? Silver might be interesting though. To long it here or just continue down to the Asia. Of course, it is a risky long if you do it from here. Not financial advice, of course. And also, gold if it sweeps this, just going from liquidity to liquidity. Obviously, swept London lows to then sweep these highs to then sweep lower again. Right, you can see sweep over the London highs to sweep the London lows to sweep this structure right here becoming a smart money trap, and on this liquidity is becoming a smart money trap. It's just a smart money trap cycle, you know. Somebody watching this like he doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. I'm just leave. Okay, some movement on you. If I had this like this, 9 pips. Yeah. Alright, three die-hard supporters, man. Y'all probably already left y'all likes. Okay, we got 10. Awesome. You got 10 at least. But man, this week we're supposed to be on the 20s, on the 15 marks, you know? I'll try to provide as much value as I can on these. And good trades. If y'all trading the same strategy as me, of course. Aye. Go motherfucking crazy, G. Wait for tracing. Great, but yeah, I mean, right now it's going down, G. So you can, like I said, there could be some longs in this area, but I won't risk it that much. I want to see this Jew go down now. Might even, sorry, might even take it here just to refine it. I don't really want to 17 pips, old overnight, old to London close, which is still slow. Of course, this target might get hit, less likely, but plus if it continues to go up, I will need to refine the entry to this level right here. Boom. Let's see. Of course, not to be able to go for 6R because I think market's going here, but to go to at least 3. Okay. Let's see. If it does, I'm gonna put this order down. A little EU short. Fuck again, man. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, team 4-4. Oh, ES seems to be doing it as well. Just by the percentages I'm seeing. 9.2, 32, that's about right. Wait, how much is this? Oh yeah. I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Fuck, bro. Uh, this motherfucker doesn't want to put the nice one. What the fuck? Then put 10 on the motherfucker. Probably gonna get in on this. Let's see. I mean, it is. Yeah, it's London close already. I mean, let's see. Can be easily a stop loss and then like continue to go up, give better structure. It can go down from here as well. What's this M15? Not the best, right? So this would be the safer position. I'm going a bit aggressive on this. If it takes me in. Of course, this is not a stop loss, alright? My stop loss is just on this level. And then yes, yeah, coming to it, boy. If you want entertainment, you got it now. Wakey, wakey, setup coming. Let's see, man, if it does so. I need a better sweep, though. I'm not gonna long some equal lows, of course. Something like here, and then long it. Boom. That EU can be also a quick stop loss if it is so. I don't care. I just accept them, of course. Right. Just accept them, right? Even before you position yourself in a position, even if you know that you also this is the same level we're watching on ES. So I'm dumb. It is ES itself. I thought it was NQ, but yeah, on NQ we did Asia sweep once and twice. Let's see. Still need that level to be a bit further down though. Okay. We're floating nice, I think. Kinda. We must be like half hour, almost, not even. But yeah. Even if I think it's gonna be a win, I gotta accept it's a loser before it even is. So hold up a minute, guys. Let me do some quick calculations. All right. I need to put okay. Okay. 27.6. Oh, okay. Wait. Plus 4, I need 6%. Oh, I'm dumb. Yeah, I need 3K. I need 3K. Okay. 100. 1. Let's see. Yeah. 31.1. Which can be here, right? Oh, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. Yeah, going for 3.27 on this. I'll explain to you guys later. I have a surprise. This isn't the sweep though. This isn't the sweep. Nah, it's exactly 0. So it isn't the sweep. It's like low. And if I do trade it, I'll be just a smart, like a support and resistance trader. So I will wait for some second sweep to it. And yeah, let me see what you guys are saying. It's chicken. No, Hector. No, we touched it, but we didn't swept it. That's what I'm saying. And yeah, let's see that EU, man. Let's see that EU. Hopefully it does so. Hopefully it does. It's looking nice. I want to see this ES though. Fuck. I want to get away. I want to fly away. Yeah. You boys taking anything? Are you taking the EU like me? Or, because you don't have to, you know? Saturday morning, Fridays in the evening. That's a banger, yeah. You know about the bangers, Ferdous. You know about the bangers, huh? What do you listen to, Ferdous? Let's see. Right now, of course, we accept this, which was expected in some way. We would have been in on the safe position, but right now, because we took the refined one, we're already flicking some profits. And I want to see. Well, right now it's let's see. Right now, it can tag me out. It can continue. Let's see. It will be one of the two. I listen Latina. G, what you mean Latina? Like songs for Latinas or what, man? Like reggaeton or what? I'm saying like taste of music, G. I mean, if you're new to the stream, we took a loss on oil. We're trading this on EU. I don't trade oil though, and I'm waiting for this on ES. 1-to-1, yeah, in some minutes, perhaps. This I'm not trading yet, just because it's a equal low. Like yes, from here it can go on, but just because of this equal low, man, it's just better to stay out, you know, because I can easily see this kind of playing around with emotions of guys that are not taking this, and then it will boom, just sweep it because it's equal low, and then go from there. And if it's a miss, it's a miss, right? The market's here tomorrow. I don't need to fucking FOMO it or drop some like, boys. Of course. Drop some likes, boys. We'll see how this EU plays out. If it can be quick. I mean, it is EU though, so it's probably gonna be a bit slow compared to the futures and all that. But yeah, if you guys stay active, I'll be here a bit more. Because man, last week, I called out the trade and it was a winner. It just TP after the live. No scammy shit. You can go to your fucking charts and see the same thing I'm seeing. Okay? But I wasn't finna stay on live for like 5-6 hours until the TP. Same with this EU. It depends on how he wants to play out. But yeah, it would be good to have some fucking wins taken on live. Just to show y'all guys, just to flex, but hey, at least the entries, which is the most important, and the analysis is taken all on live. Because me going to some price section that's already printed and telling you that I've taken a trade here, yeah, that's real easy, right? Yo, my guy Future, what's up? So what's up? You trading anything? I don't know if you just joined. You missed out on some cinema. Some cinema where I lost $100 here by accident. Uh, we lost on oil, and right now we're taking the trade. I mean, right now we're just waiting, waiting on this ES to sweep, and already in EU on this. So yeah. Right now people are coming back. All right. We're getting to that time where I think people are like coming back from their jobs and school and all that. Let me know if that's you. But yeah, just a few minutes ago we took a trade on EU. Nice, well, nice. You on a EU as well? I mean, what you mean M1 structure? I would just take this structure. I wouldn't go that deep into M1. What you mean? Oh, maybe you took out this one. Oh, maybe you took this one. Yeah, this was what I was mentioning. Like, this is the safe one. It's the most, like, 17 pips, I think. And because I didn't want 17 pips, which I could take, but it's still a bit on that forcing a bit, you know, it's still getting huge. And then it's London close, which will be slow, but it will 17 pips until this level right here on the efficiency, which I think will be targeted. It could be possible. It's just that it's London close and it's going to be slow. So yeah, taking 2.5, that's decent, yeah. I believe you can get the 3, but it's just that it's going to be slow, you know. You're going to have to handle like the overnight thing. And me as well, probably. I don't know. Depends on how he wants to do it. And it can also be a stop loss for me. Who knows? But yeah, because of that, I refined it to this level right here, the 1 minute or M5 candle, and I have a 9.2 pip stop loss. CS. Yes, I wanted to sweep it again, man. I'm not trusting this equal low, even though it can work. I rather trust my guts, my analysis, you know. So we swept the liquidity on EU. We didn't sweep it on GU. But what we can have is GU coming lower here, sweeping these lows, and tomorrow or even during the night or so, tomorrow we might have the longs to target this, something like that, and this will give us a TP on EU at least. That would be nice. As far as the XY, yeah, why not reverse from here? It's still a bit decent towards his liquidity. Why not come back to test these levels? We're shorting EU exactly for the same scenario as we got on the XY, because London closed, retracement of the day. On EU, London was bullish, New York was bullish. So right now, London closed, this pink little box of the kill zone that's starting just now. Retracement of the day, because London was bullish, New York was bullish. London closed most likely be bearish. It's not by coincidence that the London close session is probably my most profitable in Forex. So if you trade Forex, especially EU and GU, pay attention to this area, to this timing of the day. And I see a lot of y'all pull up to the stream in this timing, so be sure to pay attention. I don't know if I spelled that correctly. Oh shit, it's going good. I mean, nothing to say yet. Looks decent. Decent is the word I can say. You know? Thank you for the hype and all that, but you gotta remind yourself to even be in your training as well, to not be that, yo, let's fucking go and all that. Because I was also like that on oil. You want me to show you the oil? The oil was looking very good as well. And then look at this. It just came back to it. But if this trade was on EU, I would be tagged out break even. But on oil, I don't. I think it's better to not do break evens. In this commodities and shit, it's too crazy. It might go back to my break even and it might continue. On Forex, it's better to put myself break even, but on this, nah. And then these pairs, this didn't do the sweep, and Q did equal lows with some shit or not. Nah, NQ actually did it, but I don't like this zone on NQ though. It can go to this. ES is the only one in here that I would like, and kind of this, but I don't like the order block here on the of the previous days or so. Well, if you go more to higher time frames on the hourly, you'll see this big ass SMC order block that we're currently testing. But we can still sweep this and go a bit higher and get a win just off the reaction, but not like the entire moon, not get all-time highs on this. If I'm going too fast, if I'm dropping a lot of things that you're not understanding, feel free to drop it in the chat completely for free. You will not get murdered by having an opinion, and I'm not famous, so I can see every single message pulling through. Might is yes dropping. Going crazy with the emojis, huh? Let me see. No. Do the one. Yeah. You see this sector? ¿Está mirando o qué? One day my G will be better. Nowadays, fake motherfuckers. What you mean fake motherfuckers? Who you talking to? You should go to Kuala Lumpur, G. Come meet me and Thomas there. It's cheap. There's also a huge Indian community there, so there may be gonna be Bangladeshi as well, for sure. I don't know, man. Try. But it needs to be quick though. Yo, Kavi, what's up? What's up? How are you? You taking anything? Or did you took anything? How's the charts treating you today? Yes, you want one of my brother friends have restaurant. Oh shit! I mean, if you got contact with him, let me know. We'll pull up to that restaurant, bruh. Or go work at that restaurant if you need to. I mean, Thomas is gonna be there in like 1 week or so, and I'm gonna be there in October. You gotta go, G. You gotta go. We'll get the Latinas. Took GJ and you short. Okay. UJ, I mean. Okay. Okay, so you shorted Japanese yen in both scenarios. That's good. I see it's dropping. So the GJ. So you did good. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it dropped a lot. It's good, man. Well done. Well done. I thought this level would be hit first before taking any shorts. So you did good here. But yeah, just my partner Thomas was on longs in here, and then you said UJ. Okay, yeah. I mean, well done, but I'm not really fucking with them. At least this one looks a bit better, just because we're coming to this efficiency right here. That one I didn't like the equal highs it was making, but maybe you trade support and resistance, and that's up to you. If it's a shame, you can be profitable in whatever strategy you're using. DCU, it's playing around here. And can't judge it yet. And yes, playing around as well. Yeah, man, let's see. But do you think you will be there, bro? He go as student work as waiter. Oh, okay. Now you have own. Oh, okay. So okay. So he's not like a waiter anymore. He's like the owner of the restaurant now. Is it good? Is the restaurant good? Like, think it's good? It's like what? Like Bangladeshi food? But do you think you'll be able to go there in October? Oh, okay, Malaysian. Okay. Nah, man, you would have a good time, man. I mean, the party scene there, it's not the best, but hey, we'll make it the best, bro. Believe that. We're gonna pull up, grab. There's not many Latinas, but we'll grab the Filipinos. The I still not prepared you. Let's see. Yeah, I know. It's still kind of like super like on time. Like I just mentioned it now. But yeah, bro, we'll just not be there for a long time. I'll probably just be there for a month, then Thailand, then Vietnam. But you're close to it, so you can just go there whenever you're ready. You'll be chef for us. All right, can you cook, bro? I never had Bangladeshi food. I don't know if it's good or not. Are you guys? Do you guys put a lot of spicy as well? My God, bro. Let's see, man. I didn't put myself break even yet. Like a pussy, I'll just hold it. Let's see if we just test this order block of entry and then come back lower. If he doesn't, it's another loss. It's not the end of the world. That's why you love Malaysia. All Asian varieties there. Nah, nah, man. It's the opposite. It's the opposite. Malaysia is good to lock in. So like in October, I think like the weather's not that good in all those places around Southeast Asia. But I don't mind it being like rainy in Kuala Lumpur because Kuala Lumpur is good to lock in. Good infrastructure. Can just put myself in the building that has pool, that has gym, and I can just work and be there and not even leave my place in a sense. Because it's all about the grind. Like I'm not going there to be a tourist, you know. You guys already know. All right, all right, all right, all right, G. All right. Uh, I'll wait for that. I'll wait for that. No Diddy shit. What are we guys seeing here? Okay, we got another like. Thank you, boys. Thank you. Who's watching the stream? Who's watching the stream? Make sure you talk in here and let me know where you're from. We got people from Nepal here. We got people from Bangladesh. I don't know where Kavi is from though. Yeah, man. We got. Oh, Jamaica. Man, you should be more active in the group. We got a fucking killer trader of Jamaica. He's gonna be bigger than what's his name? Q Banks? Yeah, it's Q Banks. Fucking Fabi or Fabs if you notice on our Discord that we got. Killer trader, bro. Killer of a trader. And you guys can literally join the Discord, let the chat know where you're from, and you can probably find out someone that's from your country. Because let's be realistic, most of the times these people that you're gonna find like on the same path as you, you're not gonna find them on person. Like we all know that. So most of the people you're gonna find online. My best friend Thomas, that's a trader. I'm from Portugal. He's from Czech Republic. We met online, of course. Or you only gonna find people that's on the same path as you if you move into these digital nomad places, and you find some community there. If you go to Thailand, for example, there's a lot of killers in that. Bali, you find a lot of entrepreneurs, people trying to improve their life, trying to even traders or, in our field. But if you stay in your hometown, people are not gonna relate to you, and you're not gonna relate to them. I, I don't. I try not to be a dickhead, and I still like the people that I was hanging out with before. But realistically, got nothing to talk, bro. Nothing to talk. I chill with them like once a year, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and that's good. That's enough. Because then, like, it gets to like certain points where I don't have nothing to talk with them. Like I have nothing to say. And we talk, but it's either bullshit or like we see things completely different. And what was I gonna say? Yeah, it's just about the old days, really. Like nothing. Not gonna talk about money. Not gonna talk about self improvement. Nothing. Just gonna talk about the old days and how people are doing and all that shit. Remember the days we got super drunk and he fucking walked 3 hours home? Yeah, that happened to me, guys. But yeah, and Jamaica, bro, I'll pull up there soon. One day, one day. I don't know if I'll do like Jamaica itself or if I'll do like a cruise on Miami and like visit Jamaica that way. I gotta see. But first, still gonna dominate the Southeast Asia area. Yeah, it's a nice place. Yeah. Like what? Like Kingston, uh, where he's good to visit. Jamaica is closest to the Latinos. Yeah, but I will go to the Latinos for sure, Fardos. I speak Spanish, I speak Portuguese, man. I'll be in Brazil for for a bit, man. I was even considering Montego, but yeah, I've heard about that. That's true. Because then Kingston is like more dangerous or some or what? Like more the gangster. Mia, mia, come on. um. Okay, nice. We test it out. Just test this out. Boom. When you visit Latina, I need to prepare myself. Maybe this year is gonna be still Southeast Asia. I mean, bro, probably next year has to be the move. Has to be the move next year. Especially we got the World Cup in the U.S. and Mexico and in Canada. I need to pull up, and you know where I'm from, bro. Got the best team now. Yeah, no real match attraction. Yeah, yeah. What about the Gyaldem? Yeah, just playing with you. But yeah, South America, bro. I'm gonna be there like Thailand. Like I'm gonna be there for a few months. Like few months in Brazil, few in Argentina, few in Colombia for sure. Try not to get myself in trouble, of course, but yeah, man, I'm telling you, I'll be good over there, man. Okay, we're looking decent on you. If we manage to break this level, then I can't put myself break even really, because we already tested the M15 on the block by the week, and so there shouldn't be much reason why we gotta go above it to test out more, which can probably just a stop loss. And we, as soon as we break this, we're already going to be floating more than 1 hour, so that's enough already for us to be setting break even. If this, yeah, let's wait for this to close as well. Too close to sweep. I have enough time. Let's see. Yeah, bro. You just can't force the system, bro. You just can't force the system. I'll take World Cup. I'll try merit, but what does that mean, bro? What's the correlation, bro? Yeah, man. You can try Lisbon. Lisbon, there's a lot of Bangladeshi, man. But not sure if the Portuguese girls like y'all. They barely like us, man. Nah, the Portuguese girls is different. It's different. No shit, G. Oh my god. I'll build muscle like you. They like me also. As long as he's got the muscle and the money, should be good, bro. Just make sure you know how to handle women as well, and don't let them just playing you. Let's see, come on, come on, come on. This shit's gonna be slow. You know, I wanna see if we break this as well. We're coming to that time of like we're already been streaming for 2 hours. Leave a like if you've been enjoying. If you've been enjoying, you know, you can see by my English, I'm already tired as fuck. And what you mean I will build muscle, and why not I am building muscle? Huh, Ferdus? That's loser shit, man. What's stopping you from starting to build muscle right now? What about the rest of you guys? Where are y'all from? I'll tell you if I like your country, if I'll give you a visit one day. My English is good, you know well. I mean, I'm not saying your English is bad, but you're like saying, I will build muscle, but you need to be building muscle right now. Are you training right now? Like, are you going to the gym? Are you doing like push ups every single day? Or are you just being a loser, man? No, no offense, of course. Don't take offense. Yeah, yeah, I do work out a little bit every day. Already I have a good shape. Okay, awesome, 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 G. because that's gonna that's gonna play on your trading as well. Because then you're not only building your muscle, you're not only training your muscle, but you guys training your mind. But yeah, man, if you guys want to be profitable traders, you need to work out. But yeah, man, shit's slow. Let's see, nice sweep into this entry right here on stop order. If it's not too late, of course. And I don't even know, bro. Uh, this just needs one win, and this is kind of the same. So both of my challenges that are close to being passed are like 2.5% up. So all you need 3.5%, like a win. I'll just increase a little bit the risk reward because I normally go for 1 to 3s. So a little bit, one winning trade, and I'll get myself funded again on other accounts. I get better results in my home. Oh, gym trainers are a scammer. I mean, you don't need to get a gym trainer, bro. Just go train. Just be consistent. Just be consistent. Eat well. Don't need to go super in detail of it, like track your macros and all that stuff. Of course, it will be better and you will improve more. But like realistically, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing special. I just kept myself consistent. And I'm not in an amazing shape, but I'm easy top 10% in the world, amongst the top 10% men. And that's not even being arrogant or anything. Like, you guys know, like, just 30% or whatnot is like obese. Okay, are we moving? Yeah, just be consistent, G. You got it, man. What about the rest of y'all? Anyone here trains? I'll try not to call you a pussy if you say no. Come on, I'll be gentle here. Let me know if you train or not. And I don't know about the emojis, guys. Just type yes or no. Like I can see by the emojis because I think the most amount of emojis is Verduz going crazy. You going crazy, man. Yeah, okay. Kavi saying yeah. Yo, what, Verduz? Okay, question. Let's see. Let's see if you guys respond to this. But I'm probably gonna talk to myself. But if you are a profitable trader right now, oh, we just got a sweep. If you're a profitable trader right now, where would you live? Like, if you have, what's your marriage plan? Marriage is kind of you know. Want a girl, want a woman, want a family, but doesn't necessarily mean I need to be married or married, but like with 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 the assets like to each name, you know, something like that. I can't really recall the name of the term right now, but yeah, it's not gonna be mutual shit, of course. because I'm already gonna be successful. Whoa, once I find that girl. But if you got a girl that rides with you throughout the journey, then sure, she's worth it. The thing is, it's super hard to make it to make it whilst having a girl. You gotta be locking in at almost every minute, and you can't be like doing the dates and all that, spending money here and there. It's gonna be expensive, you know. And she says she understands it. She does until a certain point where she does decides to leave you. This, if you want to be a good trader, like if you want to become a trader and you don't have a girlfriend, don't try to get a girlfriend. Don't even have one. And if you do, she'll probably tell you, yo, it's either me or trading. And you'll say, like, pack your shit, bitch. I'm probable that I need more times to make handsome money. Then definitely as soon as possible I'll move and join together with you. I mean, you can go to the same location and we can hang out. Not meaning we gotta live together in the same house, G. Let's see, let's see. Okay, decent. Okay. Let's see. I'll buy it like this if it goes up from here. Wouldn't even think twice, of course. I'm a big trading. Yeah, G. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see if this goes up, I'll buy, and we're also on the EU shorts, which is floating on profits. Here, let me see. I'm up $500. Not much. Going for 3K on the TP. Yeah, man. What are you guys seeing? You guys seeing anything, or are you gonna take this ES? It's looking decent. I could refine it till here, but that would be too risky, in my opinion. I'll just take this low, this high that made the overall low of the sweep, and can even refine it here. Let's say I could refine the stop loss. I really think this will get hit, but the thing is I can't hold overnight. I'll leave it like this. So I need I need 1.630. Gonna jump in on this, even though the markers are boring, but this fits the plan mechanically. Let's see. Let me take it on micro. Boom, boom, like this. I mean, you guys take it if you want. Don't know if we're even gonna get tagged in, you know. Still seeing. Well, like 12 contracts. I need 1.6 turn. Well, no, 1.630 we said. So yeah, this will do just above. Nice, yeah. Yeah, not a limit. I'm fucking hell. I almost bought it right here. Did the same mistake as I did on the other pair. So boom. If it does come above here, I'm in on a stop order. But don't just buy it because I have the limit here and you have a better entry than me. Okay, don't be a dopamine crackhead ass motherfucker. You know. Just stay patient. Watch it play out. Who has been the best in the chat? I don't know if he's still here, but we got less hope with the 100 XP number one fan of the stream. Don't mean anything bad with fans, all right? It's just the thing that YouTube calls it. We got the called Alpha, my guy Ferduz, we have Thomas, we have Future, Kavi, Abdo, and a few others. But those are the top. I mean, you get to the top, you get a little crown, meaning if you're first, second, or third, the more you type into the chat. That's all. Damn, are we reversing on a U? Okay, still decent. I want to put myself break even in this and just leave it, you know. That's the thing, because I've managed myself to break even. I watch it until I can put myself break even. If I can, I put it. I go about my life. And if this continues to go down, I'll cancel it as well. Just waiting to see on how this does, and also you, and then we'll probably cut off the stream. But like, what are you guys seeing, man? Let me know. If you want also super cheap accounts, you got Apex down below, 80% off using the code Dylan. Get yourself 20 accounts, just trade all of them at once. Get yourself funded in one single trade, and then do the same in the funded stages, and that's how these guys get like 20 to 30k payouts. They literally like profit like 1k, 2k in each trade for each account. That over 20 accounts, you know. But yeah, man. Would you guys take this on ES? Would you guys take that EU short I'm in? Let's see if this plays out. Hopefully I come back to y'all tomorrow and say, fucking told y'all. Be flexing on y'all, but nah. I get losses as well, right? This can still be a loss. It's still not at break even. So we're still gonna let it play. And if you didn't take it, don't just jump in now. And especially if it's not conform to your strategy. Right? I'm fucking tired, man. I'm fucking tired of this. GP or neutral. Yeah, man, you got to be. This can affect your emotions. And also no bullshit here, of course. I'm not even that smart to put like a different screen in here like the other guys do. They say like they're live trading, but they got like some different screen going on their live stream, and they're gaining the wins, but it's like recorded. If you guys check the timers and all that stuff, it doesn't match, and it doesn't match with your charts. And here you can pull up, this is the real markets, got the timer right here. You guys can pull up the same pairs, you've probably seen the same thing, and that motherfucking EU is back at my break even. So let's see. If it's a stop loss, it's a stop loss. But just know if I could have put myself break even and I would be getting the break even right now. But I'll hold it. I'll hold it for a bit. Just not to be scarce. you know. But if we break lower here, I'll put myself break even, and then whatever happens from here, you already know. If then I get tagged out break even, it's a break even. Then if I get price goes down, I got myself a TP. Talking almost 3 hours. Thomas G preparing for sleeping. Thomas already sleeping, probably. No, I don't trade Australian GPY. Yeah, and that's what I hope you guys appreciate. Is that me talking here 3 hours, showing you my strategy, giving you all analysis, giving you all value. And if you just want company, you can just trade on your own and be watching the stream whilst also on it. So yeah, here we go. I don't trade it, but I'll tell you if it looks good. I mean, don't particularly like this zone, but there could be a reaction from this level, at least until here, or maybe to continue. But he has done a double sweep, so yeah, he has done the trap, and it is London close, and London was bullish, New York was bearish. You might have a retrace. Yeah, you could buy from here. If I was trading it, I would either have a buy stop here or maybe here. Maybe here, but then it would just be like one. The stop loss is too big though. But yeah, I only get TP here, which can happen. But I think this level can get hit for sure. Tomorrow it will, or today. This for sure. Yeah, appreciate you, Ferdous. Appreciate you. And appreciate y'all for tuning into the stream, of course. Damn, did we get stopped out on that shit? Damn. Okay, it's only half. Actually in buy right now. That's good. Who have you been learning from? That guy's a genius. US 30 buys. Okay. That's confluent to what I'm seeing for ES as well. Oh, fuck. Do I still have the? Oh, I do. So yeah, man, your US 30 buys. Let me see it. Cause this is what you guys can do. You can just tell me trades and I'll look at it. You can take advantage. Just be active on the chat, man. Yeah, this can easily become a trap. Easy smart trap, and it's also London close, so we can have a retracement of the day, but also to come back to the London price action, making inefficiency. But yeah, I just don't like the overall zone. I don't like it how it's in the middle of nowhere. We're coming to test this out. I mean, I typed it US 30, but I got it right here. But yeah, I was seeing longs as well. I just wanted it to do a second sweep to the downside. You know, something like this here, and then potentially out buy it, as it's looking like these equal highs. That would be me. You learned from yourself. You can learn by yourself, but you can learn from somebody else. Gather different knowledge here and there. Because if you're like the French motherfucker that said he learned by himself alone, not ever consuming content, and it was just trading view in him, and then he was naming trading concepts like Naruto anime references, like we got a Susano, now I'm gonna short. If you get a Rasengan, I'll put a Kamehameha in, and I'll get myself a win. I noticed not a lot of sweeps lately. I mean, I don't know what you mean. If you mean like extra sweeps, the smart money trap ones, the second sweep, it's like on futures there isn't much, but there are still sweeps every single day, man. I could pull up the charts. You'll see, like all the black lines I drew, it's like sweeps. I mean, but no, I will say so. You're kind of right. In these past 2 weeks or so, it's I haven't been missing setups because the price doesn't do the sweep or whatnot. Yeah, so like here, Um, yeah, there was some days where I kind of missed where I kind of missed some moves. Well, I didn't miss them because price didn't do my entry, but I knew how they would play out. So you're kind of right on that sense. Take care, Fergus. Take care. Thank you for tuning in. If you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like. Are we reversing from here? Okay, that's all right. Let's see. I want to actually say by myself, I actually get knowledge from friends also. Okay, yeah. Yeah, GMS recently, yeah. Yeah, recently you're right. You're completely right. Like here, for example, no, this is EU, but yeah, it's the same thing where I wanted price to come down here, sweep London, come to this efficiency, and then take the highs because I knew this red line would get hit because it's the higher time frame liquidity. Not just flexing here. Don't know if you hate me or not, but you can pull back the stream and you'll see me call it out. But that's pretty easy for me to do, to call the bias in levels. Then execution, it's another level, you know. And yeah, if we pull up to other pairs on futures, there is quite a lot that didn't do much sweeps, that just continued. Right here, I wanted this sweep to be deeper. Here I wanted a second sweep into it because this was news. But yeah, you're absolutely right, man. You're absolutely right. Yeah, for people in here, if you guys trade futures, make sure you get an Apex account. You can use my code and get 80% off. Just accumulate a bunch of them. Just the easiest way to get funded like that. And rotate between them. Or use a trade copier. It's whatever you'd like. I'm maybe gonna get in on this ES. Depends if market moves or not. If it just sweeps another time to the downside, I'll just leave it. This is gonna be for another challenge pass for another funded account. And we're also on EU, which I don't know, might be a stop loss now. Not looking that great. It was at the beginning, but no more. Okay, so if you guys have any final things to say or questions, take advantage now. I'll probably head off from here. And then as soon as I say that, 10 people join. Yeah. Take advantage now to say anything, guys. If you want me to board any pairs or any questions that you have, unless I'll call this out. But yeah, I already been in this for like almost 3 hours. So getting fucking tired. It's a shame that we only getting setups on the London close and whatnot later on in the day. Otherwise, I would be showing y'all, and would be nice to have some wins on screen. But either way, we're calling out the entries, so that's the most important, right? Anyone can come here on the future price action that's already printed, telling themselves that they gotta win here and here in the past. Then and then we'll see about EU as well. All right. So you guys have nothing to say. I'll just leave it on right here. Thank you, boys, for watching. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Thank you to everyone that left a like. And make sure you tune in for tomorrow, as we're doing this all month. All right. So yeah, boys, stay safe.